Hi friends, thank you for tuning into my channel today. We are making motif number 16 from this Irish crochet book. The motif is made using padded cord. It is 4 layers and it will look something like this. Pattern itself looks like this. I'm using a 3.5mm crochet hook, some standard yarn that I've got laying around, and for the padding cord I'm using this bright orange. Let's get into it. First things first, go ahead and secure your yarn. I tend to just twist mine like this. I'm going to chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch or single crochet into the first chain space and just secure your yarn like this. We're going to place 20 single crochets in this center space here. And after the single crochets, go ahead and just slip stitch into the first chain space here. We've now got the base of our flower and we're going to add our padding cord in now. I of course am using a bright orange padding cord just so that you can see what I'm doing, but traditionally your padding cord and the colour of your yarn will be the same. I'm just going to go ahead and slide the start of this padding cord through the base colour. So I'm just going to pull it through like this. I'm literally just looping it through like this. And just chain 1. That is nice and secure. Just going to give this a little bit more of a pull to tighten it even more, like that. You should always have a loop at the start of your padding cord and at the end of your padding cord. I tend to keep the padding cord on the inside when I'm working with padding cord, just because it's easier. We are now going to form petals around this padding cord. So start off with a single crochet. Then we're going to do a half double crochet. Then we're going to do 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. As you can see here, I tend to just hold the padding cord tight with this hand and the work with the same thumb and finger there at the back, and then I've got the primary colour yarn wrapped around my finger at the top here. So the padding cord, I tend to control the lower part of my hand, and the overlay colour with the top part of my hand. A half double crochet and then a single crochet, and we are going to slip stitch into the base 5 chains down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there. Bring the padding cord along. We're not going to leave that behind because remember we're working around this. So I've just slip stitched around it like that, and that is the petal pattern, and we need 5 petals around this piece here for the first row. So I shall do another one with you, then I'll speed up a little bit. So then a single crochet, then a half double crochet, 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, half double crochet, and then a single crochet. And we're gonna slip stitch into our base 5 chains down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there, like that. And I brought the padding cord with me. So I'll crack on with this off camera, then I'll be back to talk about round 2. So I've got 5 petals there, and the back of it's looking like this. You can barely see the orange. If I give you a little bit of a close-up, you can see a little bit of orange where I've added the joins in. So let's crack on with round 2. The pattern for round 2 is we're going to continue to work around the padding cord, a single crochet, a half double crochet, and then 7 double crochet. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, a half double crochet, and then a single crochet. And we're going to go ahead and secure that to our base just by slip stitching in between the next 2 petals. Again, bring the padding cord. So I've slip stitched and I'm just going to throw it back like that and just pull it a little bit. So you'll actually be looking something like this with your second layer. And again, I'm going to go ahead and do another one with you. Then I'll complete this row off camera. So I've done a single crochet. I've done a half double crochet. Now I'm going to do 7 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, half double crochet, single crochet. And I'm going to just slip stitch into the base here. The pattern does say to slip stitch, sorry, single crochet, but I like to slip stitch. It just defines the petals a little bit more. So you'll actually be looking something like this. I'm going to finish the 3 remaining petals off camera, and then I'm going to come back and talk to you about the final row. With the addition of row 2, you'll actually be looking something like this. Let's crack on with a row 3. So again, we're still working around the padded cord. We're going to start with a single crochet. We're then going to go in with a half double crochet, another half double crochet. We're going to go in with 2 double crochets. 1, 2, and now we need to do 3 triple crochets. So we're picking up yarn twice like that. So that's 1, that's 2. We need 1 more. Like that. Now we need to do 2 double crochets to come back down. 1, 2, 2 half double crochets. 1, 2, and a single crochet. And again, we're going to attach this petal. We're going to attach this petal to our base. So again, I'm just going to go ahead and slip stitch in between these 2 petals, like that, and just give that a little bit of a pull like that. So we've got more of an exaggerated row 3, as you can see here. And as always, I'm going to do another one with you, and then I'll finish the remaining 3 off camera. So a single crochet, 2 half double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1, 2, 2 triple crochet, sorry, that was 3 triple crochet, not 2, 2 double crochet, 1, 2, 2 half double crochet, a single crochet, and then attach that petal to the base. So I'm going to go and just slip stitch between these two petals and give the padding cord a bit of a pull. So again, I'm going to finish off row 3, then I'm going to come back and tell you what to do for row 4. The work should be looking something like this after 3 rows. Let's go ahead and build the final and 4th row. So for the first petal, we are going to single crochet as always. We're going to do a half double crochet. We're going to do 1 double crochet. We're going to do 5 triple crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Then we've got a double crochet. We need another double crochet, then a half double crochet, and then a single crochet. I recognize that I may have missed a double crochet here because I only put 1 in at the start, and I'm going to just slip stitch my petal into the base again, and I'm going to do 1 more with you. So a single crochet, a half double crochet, 2 double crochets, 5 triple crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 double crochet, a half double crochet, and then a single crochet like that. And I shall have, as always, connect this petal to my base like that. Again, I'm going to go ahead and finish the remaining 3 rows off camera. Then I'm going to come back and show you what the finished piece looks like. And this is what your flower should be looking like with a padding cord. Now what you want to do is, to finish off with, you want to snip your padding cord about there, get a darning needle and weave in your main colour and your padding cord. Do tie a little bit of a knot and weave it through so it's nice and secure. I'm not going to demo that because I've only made this video for demonstration purposes, but I hope that this was helpful for you. Please like, comment and subscribe. Do check out my other videos. Have a blessed day. Thank you. Bye bye.